So here's how to fix missing screen brightness slider option in Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and simply search for services. Alright, simply open this up, and then from here you need to find out display enhancement. So let me just find out real quick. So here is the display enhancement. So we will select that one. And from the startup types, firstly we will select the stop, and then from the startup type we will select automatic and simply go with start once again and go with the apply and then okay. So after doing so, we need to close these up and simply once again go to the search bar and search for the device manager, guys, and then simply open this up. Now once you have done to here, you need to go to the monitors, and from here you need to right click on your mouse and simply go with the disable device. After doing the disabling option, you can simply go and right click and once again go with enable device. All right, so after doing so, you can simply go to this option, which is the display adapters, and simply select the graphics card you have and go to the update driver. Then from here you need to go to the search automatically for the drivers. If you have any latest update available, then it will show and ask for permission to update your graphics driver. But for my case, as you can see, we have the best drivers for our device already installed. So now once you have done all of this process, I hope you will get your problem fixed. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.